In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Gestures and tap on one-handed mode. If you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down and tap on the gray sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut to switch it on, and tap on Got It in Use Accessibility button to open pop-up. Now, after making sure that Pull Screen into Reach option is on, just click on the shortcut. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to go back to the standard one, you can wait a bit. Tap on the same shortcut, click on this area, or simply swipe up. In order to disable it, tap on the same, now blue sweater. If you are using gestures though, I need to quickly change my navigation to show you. You can use this sweater next to Use One-Handed Mode instead. Then tap on the same option, Pull Screen into Reach. And last but not least, follow all of those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen with this gesture. So when I swipe down from the button, I can see that one-handed mode is on again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!